guys, welcome back to Reselling Technologies channel. On our last video, I showed you how you can start data reselling business. I explained everything about data reselling business. Alright. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get started, step-by-step process on how you can get started and succeed in this business. Alright. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button below, and don't forget to smash on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime I release a new video. Without wasting time, let me go to my laptop screen now to show you the things that you need to do before you get started and succeed in this data reselling business. Let's go there. Alright guys, welcome back. Like I said, I will show you step-by-step process on how you can start data reselling business, the things that you need to do in order to succeed in this data reselling business. Alright, as you can see my screen now, getting started with VTU business. There are things that you need to do before you start this VTU business, and these are the things that I'm going to be showing you in this video right now. Alright, the first thing you have to do, as you can see my screen now, the first thing you have to do is to research the market and competition. Research the market and competition. Not, I want to start data reselling business. You have to research the market and competition. Alright, you have to know the people that are already in this business. Okay, know your competition. Know how you can position yourself. Know what the market is looking for. Know how you can sell your business. Alright, so this is one of the things that you need to do before you get started on data reselling business. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button below, and don't forget to smash on the bell icon for more awesome videos like this one you're watching right now. Thank you. Now, another thing that you need to consider is VTU service providers. You need to choose a reliable VTU service provider. Okay, remember in this business there are a lot of scammers. A lot of scammers are there. So you need to find out the reliable ones. Okay, so that when you connect with them, you won't have any issue at all. Research the market. Choose reliable VTU service providers. Okay, because I've seen many of them who are scammers and they're claiming to be VTU service provider while they are all scammers. Alright, so you have to choose the reliable ones, legit ones, please. You have to choose the legit ones. Alright, and also you have to decide on your target audience and pricing strategy. Your target audience is very important. Your pricing strategy is very important. Now let me tell you one thing. When Mr. A is selling 1 gig 300 and Mr. B is selling 1 gig 280, now you are Mr. D, right? You won't go out there and be selling 1 gig 300. You won't make it. Through experiences, I'm telling you, you won't make any sale. Alright, that's why you need to choose a pricing strategy. Alright, how you can sell your own data. The prices that you'll be selling your own data. Now, if you are getting 240 from your API, while others are selling 300, 280, but through your API, you are getting that 1 gig 214 naira. Instead of you to look for more profits, maybe you say, okay, since I'm getting 240, let me be selling 290. No, you won't make it, because Mr. A is selling 300, Mr. B is selling 280. So you that is Mr. D, since you are getting 240, you can sell your own 270. Alright, in order to draw customers for yourself. Alright, that is for you to. You need to decide your pricing strategy, and also target audience. Do you know that everyone out there, they are not your target audience? All are not your target audience. You have your own target audience. Now, your target audience might be the people, okay, that always subscribe 2 gig. Alright, now tell you something. Do you know that if you target people who are subscribing only 200 MB every month, do you know that you make a sell? Do you know that you make a sell? Yes, you make a sell. But if you target people who always consume data every month, I mean every day, if target those people who consume data every day, they can consume up to 3 to 5 gig per day. If you target those people, let me tell you, you're making more sales. Honestly, I'm telling you through experience. I'm telling you honestly. So if you target these people, you're making a lot of sales. Alright? And also, identify your target market and their data need. I've said it before. Identify your target market and their data need. Okay? Now, if you target people who are farmers, they don't have anything to do with smartphone. They don't have any business with smartphone. If you target them, my brother, my sister, you ain't making sales at all. I'm telling you, you make any sale. But if you target people who watch videos every day, who do download, they watch videos, they watch YouTube videos, they watch Facebook videos, in fact, TikTok videos, they watch them. Let me tell you, if you target these people, you know that those people who are watching videos online, they normally subscribe more than 3 gig. Do you understand? If you target them, if you get them, you'll be making much sales. I'm telling you. So you need to identify your target market and their data need. Alright? Establish partnership with data providers or wholesalers. This is very important. Establish partnership with data providers or wholesalers. Yes, it's very important. Okay? When you establish partnership, anytime you have an issue, okay, they will help you out. But if you don't establish partnership with them, anytime you have issue, you do like this. But I'm telling you honestly, partner with real people. Let me just break it down. Partner with real people, legit people. Please don't partner with scammers. If you mistakenly partner with scammers, you are gone. Identify the real people, the legit ones, partner with them. When you do that, you see your business growing. And also determine your pricing model and profit margin. Okay? You have to determine your pricing model, how much you'll be selling in order to make profits. And also let me tell you one thing. Any profit you make, please don't spend it anyhow. Because if you're spending your profits anyhow, you won't know whether you're making profits or not. Okay, so any profits you make sure you keep it one place. I will advise you to have 2 bank accounts, 2 online banking accounts like OPay and PalmPay. Always use your OPay to receive payments, while PalmPay is where you have to be saving your profit. Any profit you make, send it to your PalmPay account so that you know when you are making profits and when you are losing. Do you understand? So that is what you need to do. Develop a sales and marketing strategy. Have to develop sales and marketing strategy. Okay? Please listen. Suspend whatever thing you're doing right now and focus on these parts. Okay? Have you been using your Facebook just for commenting or just for chatting? Hello, hi, how are you doing? I'm fine, this and that. Do you know that you're wasting your time? Your Facebook account should be a sales funnel for you. Yes. Now you can go to Facebook, join many groups, as many as you can. Join them, advertise your business. Yes, advertise your business. Okay. Now let me tell you one secret. You can go to Facebook on those groups that you join. Now you use this format. Just wait. Use this format. Have you been looking for a way to make money? Do you know that you can make 1K to 3K daily using your smartphone doing data reselling business? I will teach you for free. Just post this on your Facebook account. Now, before you do that, make sure you have created a WhatsApp group where you have to mentor them on how to go about it. Okay, so anyone that shows interest, tell the person to send his or her WhatsApp number. Then you can add the person in that group you created. Alright, now as they are joining, fix a class. Okay, educate them on how they can go about it. After educating them, send them your website link, let them register, show them how to register and how to buy data from your website. By so doing, you start making money for yourself. Use this strategy. This is very real. Alright, this is very real. Okay, so guys, this is how you can get started on data reselling business. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button below, and don't forget to smash on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime I release a new video like this one you have watched right now. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to share this video to your loved ones. Share it on social media, on all your social media handles. Share this video, let other people benefit from this video. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. See you on my next tutorial. Goodbye.